Okay, I have another guest on the red carpet with me. Can we meet you?
My name is David Kende Omowai.
Your
David Kende Omowai.
So, what are your expectations from the show today?
Laugh, 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 laugh.
I just here to laugh. Okay, let me ask you a quick question. What is your spec in a lady?
My specking lady. Ah, big bomb bomb.
Big bum.
Ah,
Okay, what else?
that's all.
Just big bum bum. No sense.
Sense.
Sense too.
Sense with
What what big bum bum because in this life, don't worry. So are you single or you have a lady with big bum bum already?
I'm not single.
You have a lady with big bum bum already.
Yeah,
It's okay. So why is she not here with you?
she's actually doing some exams in school, so that's why she's not.
Okay, I hope you have a lovely day at the show today. Thank you for coming on the red carpet. Okay, I have on the red carpet with me one of our brand partners. Can we meet you?
Yeah, my name is Paul Kachi. Paul Kachi.
Okay, so what do you do?
I own a brand, a clothing brand.
Okay, so can you tell us about it?
Yeah, it's a custom-made clothing brand with the name Relevance. So the name means relevance, which is our customers are relevant to us, and everything we do, we have our customers at heart. Yeah, and through relevance, we put fashion as a voice against the absurdity of the government. You understand? Yeah, that's what it means.
Okay, thank you. So what are your expectations from the show today?
Well, I came here to have maximum fun because